Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up the dark mode on the Huawei P50 Pro. The dark mode is especially good for your eyes when it's a little bit dark, because of course when you are in the dark and it's evening and this is very bright, and this is not so good for your eyes. So the dark mode can help you, but it also saves your battery life, because this is a special screen we have here. It's an OLED screen, and this OLED screen uses only energy when it's lightened up. So if you have black, it doesn't use energy. So this is a special screen you have here on the Huawei P50 Pro, so it also helps you to save energy. So, and how do we use the dark mode, and what is the difference? Well, if you look at here, you can see that everything is written with black typo and a white background. So it is very, very light. And you can change this not only for your settings and not only for your other apps, but for all the apps. So if I change the dark mode, and I will just show to you now what will happen. So I click on settings, and I go a little bit down to display and brightness. And here you can see dark mode. And when I switch on dark mode, wow, everything's kind of inverted. So now we have everything here black, and the font and everything what's written here is white. So everywhere where it is black, it doesn't use energy anymore. So that will use you a lot, that will give you a lot of time for your battery. And you can see here nothing's more changed, but I can also see it in other apps, like my phone, it's also black. And let's just take a look at the app gallery. It's also black. So you can see here, you can use it as a standard to use the dark mode on your Huawei P50 Pro. And if you don't want to use it, you again go to settings. You can go to display and brightness and just shut down the dark mode, and then it will go back as normal. Yes, that was it. How to use the dark mode on the Huawei P50 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.